So I'm gonna make a different video with my award from YouTube. I will open it. I opened it already because I couldn't wait anymore. So you will see my award now. Actually, I cannot show the box because I have my personal information on it. So I will show you the other things, like this. I don't know if they make it personal or it's the same to all creators, but I love it. And now it's the time. We all waited so long for. Ta-da!
Hola, Aureo.
Isn't it wonderful? So, this is my award. Thank you, YouTube. And I'm gonna show you my flowers also because they're wonderful.
For my mother.
My mother bought it for me. They are so beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you for watching.